Forgot your password? Don't worry. I'll tell you exactly how you can reset your BoloSign password in this video. First, go to your account. Click on your icon. Scroll down and here you can see the option of reset password. Enter the email and click on send recent link. As you can see, I got the notification. I just need to click here to reset my password. And click on save. You can now sign in with your new password. It was that simple. I hope you understood the whole process. Thanks for watching.